We work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer telling us what a great job we did, and now we're happy to share it with you. It never gets old when someone posts these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. Contact us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.